So all I've been hearing is that Bull James is back on the Indies and he plans on making an impact. Why's that, Bull? Because you got Triple H's network machine behind you? And that makes you a big deal? Well, you might not know this, Bull, but Brute's been on the Indies every weekend kicking ass in different towns. So don't you come out here thinking that you're just going to take my spot. And now GSW thinks that they could just bring you on into my company that I built. I brought up to the promised lands. I made that company what it is today. And all of a sudden, Bull James thinks he's going to have a takeover over my dead body. So GSW, there is no choice. There is no other option. March 12th, Moosic, Pennsylvania. Brute Van Slyke versus Bull James. I'm not asking you. I'm telling you. Make the match. Tell me where to sign. And let Brute Van Slyke welcome Bull James back on the Indies. And I'm going to show him why I'm so effing big.